Hello friends, in this video, we intend to teach how to fund your account in the Quotex broker using Tether TRC20. We enter the trading section and select the deposit option. In the page that opens, we need to select the deposit section, and after that, choose the cryptocurrencies option. Please note that on this page, there are other methods for funding your account, and Tether is available as well. As you can see, you must select the Tether TRC20 option. Click on this option. In the section related to the deposit, enter the amount you wish to fund your account with. You must enter the amount correctly. As you can see, the minimum deposit is set to $10. You must choose more than $10. In the section related to the promo code, if you have a promo code, you need to enter it here, and finally, click on the Apply Promo Code option to verify its correctness. If you want to use bonuses, you can also select the sections on the right side of the page that are related to the bonuses. Of course, it is recommended to first check the bonus conditions. Currently, if you are not using it, please turn off the option. Please note that it is stated to use the TRC20 address for funding your account only once, and only deposit this specific cryptocurrency into this wallet. Do not use other digital currencies like TRX or Tron. Make sure to enter the exact amount needed to fund your account, taking into account the network commission. Only use this wallet for your current funding. These wallets are disposable and may not be usable for your future deposits. If you fund an amount using this method, you might lose the amount. So pay close attention to these two topics. You click on the deposit option. In this section, you can scan the QR code you see with your mobile phone and the wallet you have on your mobile. If you want to do it manually, click on the copy address option. As you can see, in the Quotex broker, the account funding is instant, and you can see the amount of $40 in the live account section, which is your available balance, and you are able to start trading. What does it mean to deposit? What does it mean to deposit? What does it mean to deposit? If you select this option, and then choose the transaction option, after selecting the transaction option, you can check the date, time of the transaction, and the status of the transaction. It is clear that the transaction has been successfully completed and an amount of $40 has been added to your account using Tether TRC20. In future videos, we will explore other methods for funding your account in the Quotex broker, and you will learn how to do it together with us. Good luck!